Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Panasonic TV with a model number TC-either 58, 65, or 75EX750. I'll go ahead and put those model numbers in the description so you can be sure. And you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on it. Now, there's two ways to do this, either via the setup menu or via the actual physical buttons. I'm going to tell you how to do both of them, but first of all, there's two reasons you might want to do this. The first one is troubleshooting. If you're having any issues with your TV not working, not connecting, not making sound, not responding, lagging, glitching, etc. Or if you just want to get your TV set up like a new TV for whatever reason and wipe everything off of it. This will do both of those things. So via the setup menu, if you have access to it, is real easy. You just hit the menu button on the remote, and then you're just going to navigate to the setup option, then to the system option, and then to the factory default option, and then just confirm it with a yes, and that will reset everything. Now, if you need to do it with the physical buttons, we just need on the TV, we need to find the volume down button, and then on the remote, we need to find the menu button, which is just below the power button on the left side. And you're just going to press and hold those two buttons, volume down on the TV and menu button on the remote, for at least 5 seconds. After those minimum 5 seconds, you can just unplug the TV and then release the buttons. Wait a few seconds, plug the TV back in and turn it back on, and it will automatically turn on into its factory default mode.